Hi everyone, welcome back to another video lesson. Today we'll learn about overtime pay on regular working days, what overtime is, the law that applies to it, the formulas that you'll use, and work examples so you can practice. And overtime pay is an extra money an employer receives for work beyond the required hours. As stated here, it is an additional payment mandated by law for work performed beyond the required number of hours. Article 86 states that employees may work beyond 8 hours a day only if they are paid extra. That is, the regular wage plus at least 25% for each overtime hour. Here are the two formulas that you'll use for regular day overtime. For the overtime pay, we have the formula hourly rate times 1.25 times the number of overtime hours. For the total pay, we have the formula total pay for the day is equal to our daily rate plus the overtime pay. Remember that this daily rate represents what they earn for the normal 8 hours of working, while the overtime pay is the added amount on top. To apply those formulas, let's take a look at example number 1. Hannah has a daily rate of 650 pesos. If she works for 10 hours on a regular working day, how much is her total compensation on that day alone? From the problem, we are given that Hannah has a daily rate of 650 pesos and she works for 10 hours on a regular working day, which means that she worked 2 overtime hours. To solve this, let's first find her hourly rate. To solve for the hourly rate, we will use the formula hourly rate is equal to daily rate divided by 8. Now, since the daily rate is 650, so we divide it by 8, we will obtain 81.25. Now, to compute for the overtime pay, we will use the formula overtime pay is equal to our hourly rate times 1.25 times the number of overtime hours. So by substituting our given, the hourly rate from our previous computation is 81.25 times 1.25 times 2 hours of overtime. So simplifying that, we will obtain 203.125. Therefore, Hannah's overtime pay is 203 pesos and 125 cents. Finally, to compute for the total pay, we will use the formula total pay or total compensation is equal to daily rate plus overtime pay. And our daily rate based on our given is 650 pesos plus our overtime pay from our previous computation, which is 203 pesos and 125 centavos. So that gives us a total of 853.125. Therefore, Hannah's total compensation on that day alone is 853 pesos and 125 centavos. For example, number 2, Grace works in a company that pays 105 pesos per hour. One day, she works for 11 hours on a regular workday. How much is her overtime pay and her total pay on that day? From the problem, we know that Grace earns 105 pesos per hour and she works for 11 hours on a regular workday, so that's 3 hours of overtime. Now, we first determine the daily rate of Grace. So to compute for the daily rate, we'll be using the formula daily rate is equal to the hourly rate times 8. Now, since the hourly rate of Grace is 105, by multiplying 8 by 8, we can obtain 840. So therefore, the daily rate of Grace is 840 pesos. After that, we will compute for the overtime pay. Using the same formula, overtime pay is equal to our hourly rate times 1.25 times the number of overtime hours. Since we are given that the hourly rate is 105 pesos, we will multiply that one by 1.25 and the number of overtime hours, which is 3. That comes from 11 hours of working minus the 8 hours of regular work. So that gives us a total of 393.75. So therefore, her overtime pay is 393 pesos and 75 centavos. To compute for her total pay, we will use the same formula. Total compensation is equal to our daily rate plus our overtime pay. So from our first computation, the daily rate of Grace is 840 pesos and her overtime pay is 393 pesos and 75 centavos. So adding these two values, we will obtain 1,233.75. So therefore, her total compensation on that day alone is 1,233 pesos and 75 centavos. Now at this point, you may pause your video for a while to try this out. Calculate the overtime pay and the total gross shift earnings. To summarize what we've learned from this video, we have the formula again for overtime pay, that is hourly rate times 1.25 times the number of overtime hours. And for our total pay, we have daily rate plus overtime pay. Remember to convert daily to hourly or hourly to daily when needed. So hourly rate is equal to our daily rate divided by 8. And for the daily rate, that is our hourly rate times 8. Thank you for watching. Practice a few more problems and you'll master overtime calculations in no time.